the Kabana Buhleni Zone 2023. Yeah, 2023. 2023. The champions for the Kabana 2023 Buhleni Zone. They are community all the way from Zimnene, all the way from Benguleplanzeni. They come from Zingeni, Dulan Bafanabam, so that they all Dulan Bafanabam. Yeah, Dulan Bafanabam. Can I also have one peg? Can you also prepare me one peg? Yes. Yeah, make sure every player has got his. Yeah, maybe before we hand over the trophy, Ndauktela Mr. Semmamba will come and present. Ndauktela Lodge. Yeah, basafuna kusibona lesilwane Lodge stastetha. Stastetha silwane Lodge. Jazz number 3. What is jazz number 3? Ladies and gentlemen, let's all clap hands. Let's all clap hands. Let's all clap hands for the champion. Okay. Yeah, ngilahlekelwe DJ Kabana la Kelengwa. Yeah, ngilahlekelwe DJ Kabana la Kelengwa. Yeah, let's all clap hands. Let's all clap hands for the 2023 Buhleni Zone champions. Yeah, bayawina ke le jazz nakule season lephelile. Yeah, na this season bayabuya, remember. Yeah, basha bakakhabana ukuthi na this year lo winile utathu sebataba na 2. Sebataba na 2. Nyalo ngidawudlala ngidafuna nema competitions. Ngingabe ngiwadlala for the